How to change your Instagram Lite's profile picture. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So, if you want to change the profile picture of your Instagram Lite, what you're simply going to do is first of all, launch the Instagram Lite application on your device. After you do that, in the bottom right corner of your screen, you can see your profile's logo. Click on it. Then it will take you to your profile space where you will see all the informations about your profile. Now from here, what you're going to do is go to the option which says edit profile right over here. Click on it. After that, over here, if you click on edit picture, then you can either take a photo right now, or you can choose a photo from your gallery, or you can use your Facebook's profile picture, or you can remove the current photo and set the profile picture to the default mode. Now, if you scroll a bit down, you can also change your name, change your username, or add a bio to your Instagram Lite account. So this is how you can change profile picture on your Instagram Lite. Thanks so much for watching the video till the end. Hope this video was informational to you and see you in the next video.